Hello students, this is Ronita. Welcome to my channel Let's Solve with Ronita. In this video I am going to solve exercise 4a chapter Linear Inequations. We have already done exercise 4b. If you missed those videos, link is there in description box. Without any further delay, let's start.
Exercise 4a, question number 1. See the question. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. For replacement set -8, -6, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, which of the following is not a solution set? See, we know that solution set is subset of replacement set. So, you have to identify which is not a subset of that replacement set. See the first one, -5 is there. See the set, -5 is a element that is not in replacement set, so that cannot be a solution set. Okay, next one, see this one is is a subset of this one. See this elements -8, -4, -2, 0 and 2, they are the element of this one, and -2, 0, 4 and 8, that is also a subset of replacement set. So the question answer will be A, I, first one. Okay, I, that 1. The value of x for 4 into 2x minus 5 is less than 2x plus 28. X belongs to R is. So you have to simplify it first. First try to simplify it. 4 into 2x minus 5 less than 2x plus 28. So if you multiply, 8x minus 20 is less than 2x plus 28. Okay, 8x minus 2x is less than 28 plus 20. Okay, so it will become, see 8 minus 2, that will be 6x is less than 48. (48 by 6 means 8. That means x less than 8. X less than 8. So option will be option 2. Okay, B. Answer of B is. Now see question number C. The solution set of for the inequation is given. X belongs to R. X belongs to R. You have to find out. So -2x plus 7 is less than or equal to 3. X belongs to R. Okay, so if you okay, this one, so 2x is greater than or equal to 7 minus 3, that will be 4, and x is greater than or equal to 2. X is greater than or equal to 2 and x belongs to R. So what will be the correct answer? See, the correct answer will be this one, last one. Okay, option 4. Okay, now question number D. See the question. For 7 minus 3x is less than x minus 5. 7 minus 3x is less than x minus 5. So x plus 4x is greater than 7 plus 5, right? Why? What I have done in this step, see, I have transferred this one to there, sorry. So what I have done in this case, 3x, so it will become 3x plus x, it will be 4x, and that is greater than, this part is greater than this part. So you can write this, that part is greater than 7, and here you are transferring this term to this side, so it will become positive. Okay. See, 4x is greater than 7 plus 5 means 12. So x is greater than 3. Okay. So option 1 will be the correct answer. Okay. Now question number E. X into 8 minus x is greater than 0. X belongs to n. See the replacement set. X belongs to n. See these things. X into 8 minus x. So here this is a product of two terms that is greater than 0. That means either both are positive terms or both are negative terms. So x greater than 0 and 8 minus x greater than 0, either that case, or x less than 0 and 8 minus x less than 0. Now one thing, see one thing, x less than 0 and x belongs to n, that are contradictory, right? That cannot be possible. N means it is starting from 1, it is starting from 1. So that means x is obviously greater than 0. So you have to consider this case. Okay. Now if you simplify this case, what you will get? X greater than 0 and 8 minus x is greater than 0, that means 8 is greater than x if you transfer this term to this way. So that means you have got a range 0 less than x less than 8 and x belongs to n. Okay, understood? Now see, 0 less than x less than 8. Okay, so answer will be 3. Okay. Question number 2, see the first one. X is less than minus y, that means here they have changed the symbol minus x. If you multiply by minus 1 both side, what will happen? This symbol will change. So sign of inequation will change. So you will get this one. So this is true. Question number 1 under 2, that is true. Now question number 2. See, minus 5x is greater than or equal to 15. That means if you divide by both side by 5, you will get minus 6 is greater than or equal to 3. Now if you change the symbol here positive, if you multiply both side by minus 1, you will get x is less than or equal to, you have to change the sign of inequation, minus 3, right? Now see, they haven't changed the sign of inequation, so this is false. So 2 under 2, that is false. Now question number 3. Now question number 3 under 3. 2x is less than or equal to minus 7. Okay, 2x is less than or equal to minus 7. They are dividing both side by minus 4. Okay, so minus 4 here, minus 4 here. So you have to change this symbol. This symbol will be greater than or equal to, and they have changed this one. So this is true. So question number 3 under 2, that is true. Now the last one. See, 7 is greater than 5, that is given. 7 is greater than 5. So 1 by 7, that is less than 1 by 5, that is also true. Okay, question number 4, that is also true. See question number 3. State whether the following statement are true or false. True or false. Okay. See the question. 3, 1 under 3, that is if A less than B, then A minus C is less than B minus C. Is it true for always? Yes, of course. See, if they are negative number, suppose minus 19 less than minus 5, okay, both are negative number. Suppose C is also a negative number, okay, so minus 20, okay, minus 20. So minus 19 minus of minus 20 is less than minus 5 minus of minus 20, okay. So now you will, what you will get, see this will be 1 and minus 5 plus 20, that means 1 is less than 15, that is true, okay. And this is true, actually this, the first one is true. If A is less than B, then A minus C is less than B minus C, and that is true, okay. Now next one, see next question. If A greater than B, then A plus C is greater than B plus C, that is also true, okay. Here A, B, C are C and D are real number and C not equal to 0, okay. So in case of 2 under 3, that is also true, and that is also true, okay. Question number 1, that is also true. Now question number 3. Now question number 3, if A less than B, then AC is greater than BC. That is not true always. See, A less than B. Suppose 2 less than 3. Now if you multiply it by 10, then 20 is less than 30, that is true, okay. But here it is given AC is greater than BC, and that is for all kind of C. If C is positive, then that inequality doesn't change, okay. That is only possible when C is negative, okay. A less than B, then AC is greater than BC, that is only possible when C is negative number. So that is false, okay. So false. 3 under 3, that is false, okay. Next one is also false for the same reason. See, A greater than B, then A by C is less than B by C, that is also false for same reason, If, that is see, this hold for when C is negative number, okay. So question number 4 under 3, that is false. Now next one, question number 5, see this one. If A minus C is greater than B minus D, then A plus D is greater than B plus C. Yes, that hold. If A minus C is greater than B minus D, that means you can transfer this way, in this way, A plus, then it will become A plus D, that is greater than B plus C, okay. So 5 under 3, that is true. Now see the last one. If A less than B, C greater than 0, then A minus C is greater than B minus C. That is also not possible. See minutely. A less than B, suppose 2 less than 3. Consider this example, 2 less than 3. Now suppose C is 1. C greater than 0, C can be 1. Okay. So, if you subtract 1 is less than 2, that hold, right? Suppose 10, you are considering 10, then it will be minus 8 is less than minus 7. Okay. So, that is also not true. So 6 under 3, that is also not true, that is false. Okay. Now see question number 4a, 4i, 1 under 4. Okay. X belongs to n, see the replacement set, x belongs to n. Okay. And 5x plus 3, that is less or equal to 2x plus 18. So, if you transfer this, if you transfer 2x in this side, you will get 3x. 5x minus 2x, that will be 3x. That is greater than 18 minus 3, that will be 15. So, x is less than 5. Okay. X is less than or equal to 5. So, the solution set will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now, in case of second one, 3x minus 2 is less than 19 minus 4x. So, 3x plus 4x is less than 19 plus 2. 7x is less than 19 plus 2, that means 21. So, x less than 3. Now, 1 and 2, because x belongs to n. Okay. So, question number 1 and 2, that is done. Okay. Thanks. See question number 5. If the replacement set is the set of whole number, solve this one. Okay. So, first try to solve question number 5, 1 under question number 5. X plus 7 is less than or equal to 11. That means x is less than or equal to 11 minus 7, that means 4. And since the replacement set is a whole number, set of whole number, so it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now question number 2. 3x minus 1 is greater than 8. That means 3x is greater than 8 plus 1, that will be 9. So, x is greater than 3. X is greater than 3. Okay. So, you have to start from 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. This will be our answer. Next, third one. 8 minus x is greater than 5. See, 8 minus x is greater than 5. 8 minus 5, that is greater than x. That means 3 is greater than x. So, x is less than 3. So, 0, 1, 2, that will be the answer. Since solution set is whole number, set of whole number. Set of whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay. Now question number 4. 7 minus 3x is greater than or equal to minus half. 14 minus 6x is greater than or equal to minus 1. So, 14 plus 1, that is greater than or equal to 6x. 6 is less than or equal to 15. 2x is less than or equal to 5 if you divide both sides by 3. X is less than or equal to 5 by 2. Okay. That means 2 and a 1 by 2. So, answer will be 0, 1 and 2. Since 2 and a 1 by 2 is greater than 2, so you have to consider this one. Okay. Understood? Now, the question number 6. 3 minus 2x is greater than or equal to x minus 12. X belongs to n. See the replacement set. See, if you transfer all the constant terms in one side, 3 plus 12, that is greater than or equal to x plus 2x. Okay, so it will become 15 is greater than or equal to 3x. X belongs to n. That means x is less than or equal to 5. So the solution set will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. See question number 7. See question number 7. If 25 minus 4x is less than or equal to 16. Okay. Find the smallest value of x when x is a real number. Now see, 25 minus 16, that is less than or equal to 4x. Now 25 minus 16, that is 9. That is less than or equal to 4x. That means x is greater than or equal to 9 by 4. That means 2 and 1 by 4. Okay. Now see the question. In case of question number 1, smallest value of x when x is a real number. X is a real number. Then the smallest value will be this one. So in case of question number 1, x equal to 2 and 1 by 4, that is the smallest value of x. Okay. And smallest value of x when x is an integer. See, this one is not an integer and x is greater than or equal to this one. See, all x are greater than this one. Okay. So, greater than this one integer that is greater than this one, that will be x equal to 3, not x equal to 2. X equal to 2 is less than this one. So, that is not our solution. That will not satisfy this inequation. So, we have to consider, see this one, 2 is greater than, 2 is less than 2 and 1 by 4, that is less than 3. Now, these are two integer in between which this one lies in between these two integer. So, what you need to consider? You need to consider this one. Okay. So, the smallest value of x will be x equal to 3 when x is integer. Okay. Now, question number 8. See question number 8. If the replacement set is the set of real numbers, solve this one. First one, minus 4x is greater than or equal to minus 16. That means if you remove this minus part, so 4x is less than or equal to 16, you have to change this one. See this will be our solution. X less than or equal to 4. You can write this like okay in this interval form, or else x belongs to R such that x less than or equal to 4 in this way. Okay. Now the second one, question number 2. Now see question number 2. Question number 2, 8 minus 3x, see this one, 8 minus 3x is less than or equal to 20. So, minus 3x is less than or equal to, 20 minus 8, that is 12. 20 minus 8, that is 12. So, 3x is greater than or equal to minus 12. So, x is greater than or equal to minus 4. Okay. So the answer will be x belongs to R such that x is greater than or equal to minus 4, either in this form or this way, in this way. Now see question number 9. See question number 9. Find the smallest value of x for which 5 minus 2x is less than this one. Okay. 5 minus 2x is less than 5 and a 1 by 2 minus 5 by 3x. Now if you transfer all the variable part, minus 2x is less than 3, that means x is greater than minus 3 by 2. Okay, clear? See, here you need to find out smallest value of x and x belongs to integer number. And minus 3 by 2, that means minus 1 and a 1 by 2. Now see, if you see the number line, if you see the number line, minus 1 and a 1 by 2, that is less than minus 1, and here it will be minus 2, right? And here it is 0. Okay. Now it is given that x is greater than minus 1 and a 1 by 2. X is greater than minus 1 and a 1 by 2. So that means x will be in this part. Now see, x is an integer. So smallest number will be this one, I mean minus 1. So x equal to minus 1, that is the smallest value of x. Okay. Find the largest value of x for which 2 into x minus 1, that is less than or equal to 9 minus x. X belongs to W. Okay. This one, question number 10. 2x minus 2, that is less than or equal to 9 minus x. So 3x, 2x and x, 3x is less than or equal to 9 plus 2, that is 11. So x is less than or equal to 11 by 3. 11 by 3 means 3 and a 2 by 3, and x belongs to W. Okay. So largest value means x will be x equal to 3. Okay, largest value means x equal to 3.